Hi friends, welcome to penhouse.in. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Click Tulip fountain pen, and this pen is made in India from Maharashtra. Each pen comes with a box like this, and here I'm taking this out. Here this is a black color body fountain pen, and this video is specially taken to give you the clear insights on the pen. That is, with just photo you can't understand full details about this. So here this has a golden clip and a golden trim set, and the golden ring on the cap. The brand's name Click was stamped here, and this is a thread type mechanism. You have to unscrew the cap to open this, and this is a piston type ink filling system. You have to unscrew this portion, and the piston will move forward, and then dip in the ink and turn this back. The ink will be filled this portion, and if you're doing this for first time, you can do this for 2 to 3 times. So air will go out and the ink will fill up this portion. And this is number 5.5 nib with a medium tipped, and also you can swap with any other nibs like you like. Since we have number 5.5 nib in many brands, usually pen enthusiasts will swap with candid nibs, and where you have a fine, medium, broad, and again with gold, dual tone, and silver one. And also flex nibs can be placed in this pen. And for this patch, you can go to our site and click pen patch, then go to nibs, and there you can use a filter and make a query on what you require. Here I'm going to give the full measurements of this pen. So the holding area diameter of this pen is 9.6 mm, and the body is 10.8 mm, and the length of this pen without cap is 122.2 mm, and here with cap this is 132.8 mm. With this measurements you can find this is a medium grip portion, so you can use this is more suitable for little fingers. And again this grip portion and the width size you can understand, and this is a piston type one, so you can understand this can hold 2 ml of inks, more than 2 ml of inks. And now the total length of this weight of this is 14 grams, and with the length and breadth you can find the pouches for this. So in which pouch which size pouch will suit this pen, idea will get by the details of the length and the breadth. And also please note this, since this is a transparent body here don't use primary color ink, so that the ink will stain on the wall of this pen. So one another thing, pen maintenance, please wash the pens regularly, that is twice a month, because all the dye based ink will precipitate on longer usage, so the ink flow will be blocked in this part. And you will get a scratchy writing, and slowly the ink will dry quickly. Then you have to shake the pens for the ink flow to come out, and you might experience this. And the reason is the blockage in the feeder screw. So to clean the dirts and deposits, please remove the feeder from the nib separately by holding this together, and turn, twist, and try. There is another part, and from here you can remove this portion, and you can wash this with soap water or running tap water. If you're soaking this in soap water, then allow it for an hour, then wash in the running tap water using a brush. And in some ink bottles itself, you can notice on every fill it is recommended to clean the pen with water. So it is clear, unless otherwise we have a good maintenance, the flow will be affected. And again, on maintenance, some nibs are need to be fine tuned, because while doing manual assembly of nibs, the tines may stick together. So gently push the tines like this up and down, and this will create a space in between the tines, so the ink flow will be good, and you will get a smooth writing in turn. And please ensure both tines are parallel, if not you will get a scratchy writing. And whenever we dispatch the pens to our customer, we do this fine tuning, and we will check before dispatch. And here I'm going to give the writing sample of this pen. For that I'm using our Pen House Emerald Green ink. This is not that much smoothy, the writing is little scratchy one, and this is so fine. And if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can make a call to our mobile number. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.